Welcome everybody back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done anything on this channel. I just thought that it's time to make a video and hoping for a change where I will try to upload videos more frequently. All these time I haven't been able to set up a bench, a proper bench. I've been doing repairs, but not been able to set up a proper long term reliable bench where I can continuously do the work consistently. So right now I'm having two soldering irons in front of me. They are both AC 220 volt rated for AC 220 volt 50 hertz supply. This is goot TQ-95 made in Japan. TQ-95, there is it's almost fading off. uh, I've been using this for like 3 or 4 years, to be honest. I've been using this for 4 years. It's been really good. And this is Proskit model 8 PK-SC 116NB. This is also a copy of another good soldering iron, which the model is TQ-77. I just want to talk about the difference it makes to spend a few extra penny to get a branded item over a slightly less expensive uh, lower quality brand. For example, this is made in China. Proskit is I can actually say lower to mid range quality brand. Some of their products are really good and can be reliable for professional use, but this particular model is a copy of a good TQ-77, which I do have a brand new unit in one of my I don't know where I'll have to take it, find it where I kept it. That one is exactly, it looks exactly like this, but I haven't really physically compared both of them. But I just want to talk about one thing. Okay, that uh, good TQ-77, the original of this style gun, I used for like 6 years continuously. I've done that daily work, never had to change the tip even for once. And I've been using this one for like 1 year now, and this also has seen continuous, now not daily but almost every week I'm doing some work with this. So here's the difference. See, actually I have, when this is designed for dual uh, power ratings. The normal is 20 watt when this button is not pressed, but when this is pressed, this switches to 40 watt power. So there it's written a warning here not to keep the button pressed for more than 30 seconds. So the difference is here. You can see the at this area, at some point this plastic part have started to kind of at the starting point of, it has experienced, I think, the starting point of melting, but it's not melted down, but I think it has been starting to melt. And I don't remember that I have abused this one as much as I did my TQ-77 during the 6 years I used that. So this is another model TQ-95 made by Goot, the standard quality. this I've been using for 4 years. Has seen, as you can see from the uh, this black color on the this sleeve, it has seen a lot of use. And this is very reliable. The quality of the plastic, the finish, the I mean the heat transfer and everything is perfect. And so that's basically it. There, I mean, normally when we see something like this, uh, made a knockoff of a branded iron, made almost similar, but there are differences when the prices change. Most of the times there are differences, and these that can be these kind of small, not so obvious things. So that's what I wanted to share in this video. Thanks for watching. Hope I can bring something exciting next time.